Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. The record button is on, and today I'm going to be using Ariana Evans Cherry Pie. This is a very pleasant yet simple scent. To me, I get a cherry mixed with vanilla and a rum scent, and I think there's a little bit of oudiness to it. I only have the soap, so that's what I'm going to roll with today. I'm going to be using the Magic Star Jelly, which is a new breed of aftershave. For those that haven't used this, this is such a delight. It's kind of like a combination of an aftershave and a balm mixed together. And the thing that I love about it is it's not greasy. It goes on super slick and it dries and it feels like you have nothing on your face, so it's not tacky or sticky. And today's razor is going to be this Gamechanger 0.84 solid bar. And this has the Gillette silver blue blade in it. I gotta hobble up here a little closer. I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And see what the lather looks like here. Nice and creamy. Got a couple days worth of growth. Today is my shave video anniversary. 4 years of videos. This morning I was reminiscing and looking back on some of those videos, and I've been on YouTube for almost 11 years now, and I really didn't do any videos until probably around my beekeeping. When I started doing the beekeeping, I did a couple videos, and at that time I was kind of just in and out doing just random things because I didn't really understand the whole YouTube thing. And a lot of those videos I took down when I started doing the shaving videos, because I knew that if I had mixed content, it would alter how YouTube recommends and things like that. And so I want to say thank you to you guys for supporting me and my channel, because if I didn't have such great interactions and debates with you guys, I probably wouldn't have stuck around and continued doing it. But it is a joy of the hobby that I like to do, is share my experiences with you. And so I want to say thank you for taking your time and spending it with me. It's greatly appreciated. I figured since it was my shave anniversary, I would have my pie and eat it too. Or, that's not the saying. I almost broke out the Droid Black because I really enjoy that scent, but I wanted to use this because I wanted to kind of change it up and do something different. There for a couple years, I kind of recreated my original shave video, and looking back on that, whew, was I a mess. If you haven't checked out some of my older videos, I would encourage you to take a look back and see some of those things. They are quite funny. And when I was talking to Jerry the other day on the phone, his favorite video, and many people's video, if you look at it, it has probably, I think it has the most views. It was when I had got a stun gun for my wife. She was going back to college. Long story about that. She's a nurse, and the way our state works, kind of crazy. But anyway, I can make it short. If you don't keep up with that line of work, your degree or certification is no longer valid. So she had to go back to school for something that she already knew. Most of the stuff that's in the curriculum hasn't changed, but it's just a money grab. Anyway, I was worried about her going back to school. And she was doing night classes. And you know, sometimes bad things happen in the night. And I thought this would be a good way for her to feel a little bit more confident, because she would have some kind of protection that was less lethal. Well, Linda, if you're watching, I know you're watching, this will ring a bell for you and you'll probably get a kick. But anyway, I, being the man that I am, did not want my wife to carry this thing around without knowing it worked, because who wants a tool that you're going to rely on, and then when the occasion arises, hopefully it doesn't, but if it does, you want it to work. I wanted to make sure of that. So I did a video where I tested out the stun gun, and I really didn't think it was going to have that much bite, and I won't ruin it for you. Go check that video out. Come back and comment below, or comment on that video. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. I forgot to mention, tell story time. The soap, the base is not, for me, it's not real super slick. And as far as like residual slickness, there wasn't a whole lot. But compared to a lot of other box store soaps, I feel like this is a pretty nice soap if you're kind of transitioning from there. I'm not sure. I might have to do a straight razor shave with it, because I feel like it may be missing a little bit of that glide and cushion that you need during that time. But anyway, where was I at? I think I was telling you that I found out that the stun gun would work in one of those scenarios. And I had asked my wife, like, please, you know, do this to my arm or whatever, and she wouldn't do it. So I had to wait until she was gone, because every time I pulled it out and just, you know, it's got that definite, the sound and the look of it alone would deter most people from wanting to snatch your purse or beat you up or smuggle you or whatever they do. But if you had to use it and you did it in an area like the chest or the leg or throat, I believe it would be a game stopper, or at least enough that you could get away. All right, so enough talk about that. That was the shave for the day. What a nice shave. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I look forward to seeing you guys on Wednesday's shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.